Aking narating, ngunit langit ko pa rin ang iyong piling. Kapag tayong dalawa'y naging isa, kahit na ilang laksang bituin, di kayang pantayan ating ningning. Balutin mo ako ng hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matakpan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituing walang ningning. Nagkukubli sa liwanag at kislap ng ating pag-ibig. Walang magawa guys. Ito, super kanta. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan. Ito yung room na tinutulugan ko guys. I have still here with not so light. Kasi ayoko ng, I don't want to have super light or very clear, so I decided to change the light and by about 3 watt only, because if I buy some 5 or 7 watts, no, I don't want to be so clear. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. It's lunchtime a while ago, and I don't have any, I'm not any work for today. I'm not going to Luneta because it's it's raining and it's Monday. Maybe I come back there at maybe this Friday or Saturday if I'm not busy or what. So bye bye.